Welcome back to the episode 2. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. In the episode 1, you guys saw me and my friend discover 2-3 places nearby Mathura Cornish and then we decided to meet the next day. Unfortunately, due to some work, we couldn't meet the next day, but we finally met after a few days. This time, we decided to explore something different. So, make sure you guys stay till the end and also subscribe to my channel. And do let me know your opinion in the comment box below. Enjoy the rest of the video. Take care. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the episode number 2 of my vlog. And if you haven't watched my episode number 1, just make sure to watch that first. It's very interesting. It took me a lot of time to edit that video. So I want you guys to go watch that first and then come back to this one. And if you have already watched it, just stay tuned. I went for some school work in the morning and it's extremely hot. The temperature is so much. I'm gonna mention the temperature right somewhere in the video. Hopefully the temperature gets better. Anyway, inshallah we're gonna shoot it. Inshallah, hopefully everything goes good. See you guys. Right now, once again with
Hello ji, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajjad and I am from Muscat.
me too. Who joined us today, Hamza bhai. How are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
We do only Urdu.
And guys,
Hindi.
production team is going on. See the camera. We are coming with big cover song right now.
ये ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
Okay, Sajjad bhai is giving away his camera. So make sure you contact him at mspk.official.
Yeah.
This is
Please
Canon
bring-
250D. You can get from him. He's giving it free to any genuine fan of him. So please
Please
do
do.
let him know him about the camera.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are done with breakfast.
MSPK is also
MSPK, please subscribe him, follow him. He's also vlogging. Just pause the camera. I want you to speak in my vlog.
We speak. I speak English 50-50 and
Mafi 50-50.
He
Minus
speaks
30% is speaking.
minus 30%. Let me introduce myself first. You will take some a bit of time, I think. So.
ये क्या होता है ये?
Yeah, this is
तो ठीक है भाई, हम अपनी ज़बान पे औकात पे वापस आते हैं. तो अभी हमने नाश्ता कर लिया, तो अभी हम जाएंगे वाटर फ्रंट, तो वहाँ के सीन आपको दिखाते हैं.
So we'll
चलिए
meet you
शुरू
guys
करते
there.
हैं.
As you can see, we are stuck in a traffic.
Basically, within 15 to 20 minutes, we will arrive our destination.
There's two vloggers sitting.
Together.
One is vlogging from behind, one is vlogging from front. One is driving a car who's a TikToker.
I'm not a TikToker, bro. I'm not a TikToker. Even I'm not
Okay
a
guys,
vlogger.
we reached the waterfront, so we'll talk after. Guys, we reached waterfront. As you guys can see, all the three of us walking.
हेलो जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. पांचवी
This
बार
is 5th time. I'm standing in the waterfront, as you guys know. Just behind me you can see the water level. It's okay, it's moderate type, and just standing on the waterfront. I want to give a few information about this place. This area is for like chilling area. There's also some benches are there. You can sit here and you can come The best time to come here is a normal day, from Sunday to Thursday, because during the weekend time it's extremely crowded here, so you will not get a place to sit here. This place is very famous. Came here. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I came here 2-3 times. This is my Instagram photo. As you guys can see, there are different types of floor here. See, the floor is also designed with different kinds of tiles here, so you'll get an amazing view. Okay, now the tips to come here. Okay, come here at any time. Okay, come here anytime. But for enjoying, you should come here at evening time. There are so many lights here, everything, etc. There are also houses, so many. I don't know, maybe I can show that. Okay. So you guys can see this house. Yeah, so this is some private house, and the main building is this one. There's lots of outlet malls here. Okay, and yeah, you can visit here anytime, and so many things are there inside. There are also lined with restaurants, cafe, etc. Lots of people from all over the world and enjoy here. So I'll tell you guys this much. This area is full empty right now, but usually it's so crowded. Usually if you come at the evening time, but I would tell you guys not to come during the pandemic time, because it's not good idea to come here, because you have to maintain social distancing. Just standing very near to the sea. As you guys can see, another vlog is coming on his channel, so make sure you stay tuned with all this thing.
I was going to fell over there.
Yeah, he was going to fell over there. See guys, we put lot of effort while vlogging.
Give me the camera, bro.
No, I was just recording myself.
We missed it, bro.
Can you do it once again? We are not doing scripted, guys. Can you do once again?
Came here at waterfront, so in the hope of
Any
just
special
making a
information
vlogs
you
and-
have about this place you want to mention in my vlog? Maybe
the
I can.
special is that if the people want to visit, they want to enjoy or entertain themselves, they can go over that side
Okay.
with their family, relatives, and they can enjoy with.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at this guy.
He was
See.
sitting over there.
Yeah, he was sitting over there. We are taking so much of risk, guys. Evening time is for chilling, enjoying. You can come here at evening time and visit Oman during the winter time. I mean, there is no winter here, so yeah.
There's no winter.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So visit here. So temperature is
Nowadays-
amazing, especially.
Nowadays is fine.
Yeah, nowadays it's fine. That's why we came out. Otherwise, it's so extreme weather here. We cannot come at this time. I want to show you.
यार मैं बड़ा बुरा गिरने वाला था वहाँ से 2 बार.
This place is very famous for its business. It attracts a lot of tourists, and you guys can see that building. So that one is very famous for staying. It is actually accommodation. It's a huge accommodation. Inside that building, there is also outlet malls, etc. This place is very cool to see. More than explaining, this place you can come and feel here. You know, still shooting is going on, guys. I would tell you guys to come here, visit here. This place is good. You know, for enjoy. Sit, enjoy, have fun. That's it. I can say this is a fun place actually. Very near to the sea, guys. Lots of beaches are here in Oman, which is very ordinary, simple beach. It used to be like this only, but now they built a waterfront, which is known as a waterfront building. They designed the infrastructure, etc. All these places are very different. This is very beautiful, especially at night time. So many lights are there.
मेरे बाल बड़े ख़राब आ रहे हैं. मैं खुद भी बड़ा ख़राब आ रहा हूँ.
नहीं ठीक.
मैं सो के उठ के आया हूँ. इन्होंने मुझे सो के उठ के
मैं डिस्टर्ब कर दिया. मैं बोला कुछ भी vlogging की.
कुछ भी
कुछ भी.
शर्म आ रही है. आई एम कैमरा शाय ब्रो.
This is camera shy. Even though he makes a vlog,
नहीं,
but he's
नहीं.
a camera shy.
नहीं मैं कैमरा शे नहीं हूँ.
Guy who goes by the name of Shy. Shy. No, this guy is acting. For
Overacting
overacting,
के 50 रुपए काट.
50 रुपए काट लूंगा वहाँ. guys, we are here. You guys can see the water level, the different color in between. As you guys can see, there's a light green here until there. If you go, there's a blue color. So I just want to show you guys this. And there's also a huge mountain in the middle of the sea. I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna add that clip. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode number 2. So that's it for like episode number 2. We are gonna meet inshallah again and make more videos soon. So yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Take care.
Bye. See you.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care.
Good night.
पिंडी बॉयज हैं जो आपके भाई हैं प्यो मतलब भेज दे दो अपने दिल पे लो हम दिमागी की गलती दो पिंडी को